In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a loan from Huntington Bank. By the end, you'll know exactly what to prepare, how to apply, and how to avoid common pitfalls so you can move from application to funding with confidence. First, decide which loan product fits your situation. If you want simple fixed payments without pledging collateral, an unsecured personal loan is usually the straightforward choice. If you have cash in a deposit account or a certificate of deposit and want a lower rate, a deposit secured loan might make sense because the bank can hold that deposit as collateral. If you prefer flexibility, borrowing, repaying, and borrowing again, consider a personal line of credit. And if your need is for a company, you'll want to look at business financing, which could include SBA-backed options. Next, gather the documents that prove who you are and how you'll repay. You'll typically need a social security number or taxpayer ID, a valid government-issued ID, proof of income such as pay stubs or tax returns, your employment details, and a snapshot of your existing debts or obligations. Having clean, recent copies ready will speed up the process and minimize back and forth. Now you're ready to apply. You can submit an application online through the bank's website, visit a branch if you prefer face-to-face help, or call their lending team to start the process by phone. Online is convenient, but an in-branch visit can be helpful if you have questions about loan types, collateral, or repayment terms. After you apply, the bank moves into underwriting. They'll review your credit history, income, and debt-to-income ratio, and may request additional documents or explanations. Respond promptly to any requests. Fast responses can keep your file moving and may lead to a quicker decision. If approved, you'll receive an offer that outlines your interest rate, term length, monthly payment, and any fees. Read every line carefully. Confirm whether your rate is fixed or variable. Check for any origination fees and verify whether there are prepayment penalties. Huntington generally advertises no prepayment penalty on personal loans, but always confirm in your agreement before you sign. Once you accept, the funds are dispersed according to the product you chose, either a lump sum for a term loan or access to a credit line you can draw from as needed. Finally, begin repayment on schedule. You may be able to choose a first payment date up to about 60 days after closing in some cases. Setting up autopay can help you avoid late fees and protect your credit. A few final tips. Check your credit before applying. Comparing secured versus unsecured can lower your rate but adds collateral risk. Unsecured personal loan limits can reach up to around $50,000 depending on qualification. Confirm that your state is eligible and never send money to scammers promising guaranteed approvals. Thanks for watching.